Hi guys, I Love Legos here again with the Droid Escape set, aka the Droid Escape Pod 2012. This is set 9490. This set comes with two Sand Stormtroopers, C-3PO and R2-D2, and it comes with an escape pod and a speeder bike. Really nice decals on these Tatooine Stormtroopers. This was the first time they actually did decals on them. Originally, the Desert Stormtroopers just looked like this. They were just normal Stormtroopers with the pack and the shoulder pauldron on the side. And yeah, these ones have nice backpacks. I like how the shoulder pauldrons are actually different colors, or the shoulder shield. And then you have this little token right here, which is supposed to be like a part of a droid. That way they knew there were droids there. And his blaster. And same thing with this guy, except for he has a white shoulder pauldron on the side. And then C-3PO, nicer C-3PO for the time, better decals, because originally he didn't have any decals really at all. I mean, a little bit, so you could tell on like here there were some decals originally, but not like there wasn't yellow around the eyes and stuff, so this just looks better. And nice R2-D2 as well. Now I'm gonna get into the builds. For our two builds, we have a little Stormtrooper speeder bike. It's like a little desert speeder bike. It looks a little wonky and weird, but I think they just wanted to add a little extra something in here so they could put the price value up and give something for the Stormtroopers to be on. So yeah, it's kind of cool, but a little wonky looking. And then you have the actual escape pod, which it looks fine. I would have preferred it to have been like not more round, but kind of look more like a cylinder. This one's like a cylinder, and then it becomes like a cone at the end back here. I don't really like that as much. I think if it was just one like cylinder, that would look more accurate. And there was an escape pod that came out later that's more recently that I think looks a lot better. But yeah, then it has a cool inside. You can take the top off here, and you can see R2-D2 and C-3PO inside. And so yeah, so that's pretty nice. This is actually the second of 3 iterations of the set, and I will say it's a lot better than the original iteration. The original iteration was like less than 100 pieces. It was really tiny. But yeah, but it's not as good as the most recent iteration. That was pretty cool. I guess it is the 4th iteration, though, if you count the microfighter. So now on to my overall thoughts on the set. Guys, now to my overall thoughts on the set. This set had 137 pieces in it, and it cost $20 when it came out, so it's a little overpriced. I mean, it does come with 4 figures, which is nice. So it's kind of overpriced. Maybe $15 would have been better because it only is 183 or 37 pieces. But I mean, it does come with some really cool figures, and this was the first time they did decal Desert Stormtroopers, so that was cool. And I don't really love the escape pod or the speeder bike, but I mean, the escape pod for the time looked a lot better than the previous escape pods that had happened. So yeah, this was a pretty good set. I'm going to give this one like a 6 out of 10. And yeah, for my next video, I'll actually be comparing this set with the Luke's Land Speeder set I just did a review on. So yeah, go look at that when that drops, hopefully soon. And like and subscribe and comment down below what you think of this set.